You got a letter? No. You already got it all soggy. Quit. We gotta open it. We gotta open it. Aww. My dearest Hayley bug, I'm so proud to have such a beautiful granddaughter. One with a beautiful smile that lights up her beautiful eyes. Your glorious soul shows through, and I love you so much and I miss you so much it hurts. Tell Mom and Dad how proud I am of them for doing such a great job being your mom and dad. I will see you soon. I love you all the way to heaven past God's house. Love, Ninny. Few things are worse than being in a hug position with no one to hug you. Aw, miss you. Did you get a letter? That's funny because it's about the hugs, and her thinks his grandma gives the best hugs. Hayley, did you get a letter? Hayley said, I love you, Nanny. Hayley, say, I love you, Nanny. The next one's going to have noise. I'll never be able to take it up from her. Is that your letter? It has a penguin on it.
Bird.
A bird. Yeah. It's not a penguin, it's a bird, she says. A bird, yes. Good job. Didn't even tell you that. What is that? Hayley, what is that? That? A bird, yes.